Hi, I'm Doug McDougall, General Manager of Sisley for Honda. We have here right now a 2017 Acura ILX Premium with only 27,000 kilometers. It's a one-owner, 100% accident-free vehicle. And I'm going to pop the hood and show you what about this. While I'm doing that, we're going to scan in and take a look at the tread on the tires. This is a front-wheel drive vehicle. So we'll show you the tires. The tires are absolutely up there and stunning. This car has an economical 4-cylinder engine. Everything under the hood is 100% original. And as I said, accident free. We're just going to scan into the engine bay. These vehicles have an aluminum hood, so they're quite nice to lift. They're not heavy like some of the others. This vehicle is recent to us, and we're going to repaint the rear bumper cover because there's significant paint off, and we're gonna scan in and show you that. So we're going to redo that, and we'll do it properly and we'll do it professionally, where you won't be able to tell. We're going to scan down the car, the entire car. I can't find any other issues at all with this car. It's scratch and dent free. Going to look in the inside. This one being a premium, it's got leather seat surfaces, really nice silver accents in the interior. This one is automatic. Acura's come fairly well equipped, and this one is no different. We're just going to open up the back, and again, we'll scan in there. Really nice condition. I see one little mark right here. Oh no, it's not a mark. It's actual dirt. I thought it was a rust spot. I was looking at it with horror, actually, and actually it's okay. You can tell that this is live filming, and we're going through it bit by bit. I'm just going to open the trunk. Nice vehicle. Being an Acura, you'll notice that everything is covered. Really nice, and it's finished beautifully. It's also got an access to the fold down in the back, so if you have something long, you can put it through. Just going to close it. Again, really nice condition car. And we'll come around to the driver's side, and I'll open the... this car also has Michelin tires. Just thought I'd note that to people who are hardcore on Michelin. Really nice condition. We're selling a lot of used cars right now remotely to our customers. We're doing it through email and through courier. We're actually couriering paperwork to the customer. They call us, we get the courier to go over and pick it up and bring it back. And then the best part of all, our Sisley flatbed Hino truck takes your car right to your driveway, and we drop it right to your driveway. Being Sisley for Honda, if for some reason you got the car in your driveway and you weren't satisfied with something, we'll come out and do whatever we need to do. We'll also do an exchange if you feel the car isn't right for you. We'll do a 7-day exchange for any vehicle that we've got on our lot. Thanks for watching the video.